Goodness me.
Yeah, but I don't know that. Does he know it missed him?
Well, I don't know.
No, he doesn't.
He does. He's going for it, but he doesn't want to ruin a tyre for a bird.
Steve Parrish, large donor to the RSPB. The difficulty there, of course, Steve, is that there could be a heat issue. It's one hell of a headache for the